So I finally have the car all taped up here. I didn't want to film that because I don't think anyone wants to just watch me go around taping the car. Not really the most exciting content, but anyway, all done now. So on to the actual polishing, and I have a new product I'm going to be trying out. All right, so it's time to start the paint correction actually on the car finally. And I've got a new product to try here. So Chris from Oberk reached out to me. He's been following my small little channel here. And he's local to me and offered to send me some samples of their products. So I'm going to try them out on this paint correction here. So this is Oberk Supreme Cut. And I've got their microfiber cutting pad here on my Rupes polisher. And I'm going to give it a try here and see if it can actually get through all the swirls and damage this paint. If you saw the ending of the last video, I showed a test spot, which I'll play right now, of where I tried Griot's fast correcting compound and an orange pad, and it wasn't able to get through all the scratches. It definitely improved it, obviously, but didn't get through everything. So my hope is that this is strong enough with the microfiber pad to cut through all the defects, or at least more so than the Griot's product did. So first I'm going to get some panel prep here and wipe this down. And I'll have a before and after, well, so you can see this side versus obviously where I'm not doing this. Oh. So I'm going to put 3 dabs on the pad here. Grab my microfiber again. Ugh, if I can keep this thing folded. See what it looks like. Well, that is substantially better than what it was. So I'll show you the bad. You can see all the swirls and scratches, and I come over here. Significantly reduced. Now this car, again, 7 years old, has taken a lot of abuse. So there's still some deep scratches I'm definitely not going to get out, but you're not seeing anywhere close to, right, obviously this is the before. So I'm happy. That looks pretty good. And once I hit that with a polish, I think that'll be good enough for this project that I'm doing. So thank you, Chris, for the excellent product. And now I'll get to correcting the rest of the vehicle. So I got another example of the Oberk Step 1 compound. See if you can see the difference between what I look like here and what I look like over here. You can see how much clearer I am on the right than the left. So again, that's just after step 1. So you can probably see it on the hood if you look on the right and left side. I've done about half the right side of the hood here. You can see how much better the reflection is there. A little blurry. Oh, get in focus, camera. Yeah. So, all right, so I'm calling day 1 here. I have compounded the entire car. All I can say is, damn, how many angles can this thing have? Especially along the bottom there. Done everything with the Oberk Step 1 cut compound. And it looks so much better than I did before, but man, has it taken, I think 5-6 hours this evening. And obviously you can still see haze. I need to wipe down the car still from compounding, but tomorrow we'll be polishing all the paint, and then I'm gonna try and do the trim also around the windows on both sides and on the trunk, and then ceramic coat everything with some I got G-Tech CSL XO V4. So that'll all be tomorrow. So yeah. Thanks for watching.